In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Sony A7III to MacBook. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly set up and connect your Sony A7III to a MacBook. This will work for any MacBook model, and all that you need is one, to download the Imaging Edge desktop application, so you do need an additional application, and then a USB cable to establish a connection. So to start, download Imaging Edge Desktop. You can find this on the official Sony website, so look for Imaging Edge Desktop on Google, click the download option, and you will find the download for Mac over here. So click on the option to download Imaging Edge Desktop for Mac, and inside of the app, you will have plenty of functions, such as remote shooting, viewer, edit, and so on, but the main focus is going to be to make sure that the camera gets detected. Now, before establishing the physical connection with the USB cable, go over to the settings and choose the setup icon and go to the fourth page. Look for USB connection. If this is set to auto, you have to switch it from auto to PC remote like this. So make sure that this option is set to PC remote and not auto. With this on, you can finally establish the USB connection. So you gather a high quality USB cable and you plug one end into the Sony A7 III and the other end goes into your MacBook. It doesn't matter which cable you use as long as it is somewhat of a high quality and it is able to make sure that the camera gets detected. With the connection established, you can now open any sort of application like Zoom, Google Meet, OBS, and the Sony camera will appear under the list of available devices. There is no secret to this, and once you select it, you will use the feed of the Sony camera on that specific software that you are using it with. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Sony A7 III to MacBook. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.